All right, today we're going to be working with somebody that has a history of back pain, but also a history of left knee strain, like a meniscus strain or something with their knee. So I want you to notice how I'm doing a lateral shift. Okay, so the main focus is that rotation on the forward towards the target. And yes, there's not much of a turn on your backswing, but it's that lateral shift and the forward rotation that actually allows you to whip it up. And yes, there will be not much of a backswing as far as the upper arm. You're not going to have that angle because of the whipping effect. So I'm doing this video for somebody that is actually, again, suffering from back strain in the past, and they have a history of knee procedures done. So we're using more of a whip it up so they can hit through the ball instead of hitting the ball. And again, I want you guys to notice the angle behind the ball and the lateral forward shift instead of a complete back rotation and then a forward rotation. And there's the angle that I was telling you guys about, that it's actually more of a far away from the body, and you still, when you come with the whip, you don't actually do the casting some people refer to, where you're reaching out with your arm. You still keep that arm in and just coming in. And again, it's all about the alignment, the setup, the positioning, so you can efficiently use your body without causing it to strain through the round of golf. And again, forward towards the target. Notice where my buckle, the front of my hip, is pointing at the end of the swing. And it's all because I'm rotating and leading with my left leg, almost like mimicking a quarter lunge, like people do at the gym, like lunges. And there's again, forward with the buckle. And this again is a 3 hybrid. We're like 220 or so.